Alright guys, so last week I heard a noise coming from my car. It sounded like a ticking noise at first. I wasn't exactly sure what it was, so I was like, you know what, rev it up real quick and see what that noise is. So I had my friend rev it up and while I listen around, see what's going on. And then as he was revving, it started to knock a little bit louder. It started getting louder and louder. So I was like, you know what, shut it off, cut it out. Let me pull it apart, see what's going on. So I pulled the cams off, see if maybe it was some with the cams. Check the lifters, everything was good. Put it back together, started up, still the same thing, still ticking. So I was like, dang, what the heck is it? So I was like, maybe it's my torque converter. So I went to go check my torque converter. Maybe it's one of the bolts or something's loose, maybe backed out a little bit because I've had that happen before on my last engine. But no, it wasn't my flex plate or my torque converter or any of that. I marked everything, made sure the marks are all in the same spot. But no, it wasn't torque converter. So I'm thinking it's gonna be the engine. I'm gonna pull the oil pan, take the the transfer case off, the exhaust off, see what's going on here, and see what's gonna happen. So let's see how bad it is. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna need a new engine. If not, then we'll see what happens from there because it didn't sound too good at all. So I'm thinking it's gonna be something serious or something, maybe a quick fix. Hopefully, only time will tell once I pull it apart, see what's happening here. But yeah, it's a big disappointment, kind of upset at the fact that it's making this weird noise. It happened last week, and after it happened, I was just like, you know what, I don't even want to deal with this right now. So today's the day, pull it apart, see what's going on. Other than that, let's check it out. All right. All right, so I dumped the oil right now. I wanted to come and just see how it looks like when I dump it here. And doesn't look like I have big chunks of shaving. I ran a magnet inside there to see if I had any particles, but I don't got nothing. But if you look at it, it's pretty shiny there. Like a lot of specks of metal on it. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but I don't know if you can see that. Kinds of shaving, so I think I got a knock on my engine. It's really silvery there. I think you can see it a lot better there. But yeah, I'm gonna pull the oil pan right now, see what we got. I gotta drop a couple things also, and go from there. All right, let's see what happens. All right, so we got the oil pan off here, and I don't know. I don't really see anything. I guess I could look around here. I'm gonna have to pull the caps off and see how bad it is. I don't know which piston is bad. I don't see any actual. Everything looks good in the cylinder walls, as far as I could see from down here. I don't see no major scratches or nothing like that. Rods look good from the outside. I don't see no burn marks on the rods themselves. So all in all, the rods look kind of good. Let's see here. I have to pull them caps just so I can find out for sure what's going on here. Focus. No, I don't want to focus. Of course not. Let's see. That one looks kind of weird. That one looks like it has some stuff on it. I have to check that out. That don't look too good. This looks alright. Oh yeah. There it is, right there. Just move the oil here. I can see really good. Looks like this one's burnt here. So, motor's got to come out probably. Got a rod knock. Shit. Well, there it is, guys. Found my problem. Making noise. Wasn't sure where it was coming from. I came outside, turned it on, and next thing you know, I just hear this knocking. And next thing you know, it gets louder and louder and louder. So I shut it off. But yeah, looks like it's got to get replaced here. So I don't know if I have to just replace that whole rod and piston. I don't know if that bearing's still good or not. I'm gonna pull it right now and see how it looks like. Well, see what it looks like here. Try to do this one-handed here. Go get my screwdriver. Let me get my plastic mallet. Probably work better with a plastic mallet. Alright, let's see here. What we got? Oh man, how bad is it? Oh shit. Oh shit. Is that my bearing or what the fuck? Oh shit. Oh yeah, what is that? Bearing is not even on there. It's not on here at least. Looks like that's been heated up. Looks like it's got a crack too on my bearing. Oh shit, can you see that? Looks like I got a crack right here on my bearing. Running right across, or oh, it's spun. Fucking bearing spun. God damn it. Yep, spun the bearing. I thought I had a crack in it, but nope, it's a fucking spun bearing. So I don't know. That doesn't look bad, but no, that doesn't look bad at all. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, spun the bearing here. I don't know how that happened, but can't be good. So I'm gonna leave that for here for right now. I'll find out if I can just replace this bearing and put it back together, or pull the whole engine out and then replace it. But that doesn't look good at all. What's it? Hey. You're helping me fix it? Yeah? Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam. Oh, yeah, fix it right there. Right there. Mm-hmm. See what it looks like. Hopefully it's not that bad. This is the back side of the bearing. This is the back side here of the bearing. Man, looks like it was eaten up at this thing. Look at that. So I don't know if I caught it in time I could fix it like this or what, but if you look at the back here, it looks like, man, I think it was chewed up. So the crank doesn't look bad at all. Like I can't feel nothing. It feels smooth as butter, so that's kind of good. But the backside of this rod, I don't know if we have to replace these rods or what. I don't think you can put this back on there like that. But this side looks burnt. This whole rods are gone. So we'll see. Hopefully I can fix this real quick. Get it back on the road here. Good thing I pulled it, making that weird noise. So, all right, guys. So it seems like we found the root of the problem here. Looks like got a good old-fashioned spun bearing. The rod knock was coming from the engine. It was actually rod knock, not no crank problems or anything like that. But it looks like I did have problems with the crank. If you saw through the video, let me show you what the bearings look like out of the car. I got them right here. I don't know if you can see that on video, but this is what I got here. So, yep. So I ordered the rod bearings. I got the rod bearings all ordered. So we're gonna go with that. Change out all the rod bearings and see what it goes from there. If I have to pull the engine, I'll pull the engine. But if not, if I can do this inside the car, I'm gonna try to do it inside the vehicle with the engine still inside the car. We'll just try it out and see if it works or not for right now. Hopefully that's the only problem I'll have right now, because man, I am troubling. I swear, man, this thing is trying to kill me. It's like problem after problem after problem with this thing. So I finally want to get it on the road running good, but it just seems like every corner I hit, there's something wrong with it. So let's try to replace it, go from there. If I have to pull the engine, we'll pull the engine. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.